All right, we just arrived at our, hold on a second. We just arrived at our 33rd project in our
21st state. Finally, we broke through the 20.
Man, it's been months while we've been waiting to hit 21 states.
It's true.
We are here at Chippokes State Park in Surry, Virginia. We're going to go meet the park manager, take a look around. So keep watching. That is the historic James River, and across the way over there is Jamestown, the historic settlement of Jamestown. Been there, taking Shar. All right, we met Ben Richard, the manager, and his maintenance staff, and we're following him to see what needs to be done.
Let's go!
See that thing? We're gonna re-side it. There's going to be a corral here at this equestrian use area, and they basically said, I said, well, what's the dimensions? And he goes, as far as you can go. See the slope of that, baby? We need to fix a bunch of these sites in the campground, so we're gonna work on leveling them so that at least a small trailer can camp instead of just a car with a tent. We got our work cut out for us.
Yeah, that fence on the corral is coming along nicely. It looks really good. And check this out. All in a day's work. So, coming along great here, coming along great here.
This looks so good.
Like that?
Yeah.
Taught us.
Shorty 3.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely.
So we were super lucky and fortunate to cross paths with Phil and Stacy, because every time we come within a few miles of each other, we go check each other out, and we just happen to be doing a project. So what do you think?
Oh my gosh. We're so glad we got to run into you guys.
Yes.
We've
Yes.
been trying to do it for months, and if we finally were like 45 minutes down the road, 30 minutes down the road, so it's great. And we just finished our tour of this project. Man, you guys are doing some amazing things. I love how the
As
progression,
usual.
yeah, the progression of our very first project together, and just how many man hours and the skill level, it has really elevated. So you guys should be really proud of yourselves and all these amazing volunteers that come.
And the one thing that we truly love about what you're doing is you're bringing people together that would normally not do this kind of stuff because they were afraid to do it by themselves. And now you have a group to show up, and they come with whatever skill set they have, and they're just willing to pitch in. And that's the beauty of a Year to
Yeah.
Volunteers. Anybody can come. There's a job for everyone. And you don't have to stay for 2 weeks. You can stay for 2-3 days. But what you're doing around the country is completely and utterly awesome.
And in case you're wondering, you will 100% leave here feeling better about the job you've done.
Yeah.
The hard work you will forget, but you will carry that with you. It fills your cup. It really does.
It does.
Gives you the energy and the oomph to keep going. So if you have a chance, volunteer somewhere. If not here with the Year to Volunteer, find somewhere in your local area, because I'm telling you, you get more than you give.
Boom.